This is a video for Sonatine, the first violin part. So the big things we'll be looking for in this piece are low twos, especially C on the A string and G on the E string. And we'll have some double stops, which is when you play two strings at the same time, and also some two up bows in a row and a couple places where we have more than one down bow in a row. We're going to break this one up into sections. The sections will be measures 1 to 9, 9 to 21, 21 to 36, 37 to 49, 49 to 60, and 61 to the end. So let's look at this first section from 1 to 9. Most of the notes are pretty easy. It's all D major notes that we're familiar with. What you do want to watch out for is there's a very quick lift set that happens from measure 4 to measure 5. And also we're going to be we start out with a very strong fortissimo sound. So we want to have a nice loud sound when we start. Let's do it bows in the air once so that we can practice that quick lift set in measure 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, quarter, 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 half note, quarter, quarter, half lift set, half note, quarter, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, half note, half note. Let's just do measure 4 and 5 again so we can practice that quick lift set. 1, 2, ready, go. Quarter, quarter, half lift set, half note, half note. Let's try it bows on the string now. Get a nice strong fortissimo. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, 1, 2, 3, 4, half note, 1, 2, lift set, half note, 1, 2, 3, 4, half note. Let's look at the next section. So this is 9 to 21. This section should be very easy. Again, all D string notes. All that you have to look out for is that 4 measure rest that comes from 17 to 21. So when we get there, the way we're going to count it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So that way we can keep track of how many measures we've counted. So this is starting at measure 9. We can go for that 4 measure rest at the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note. Half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. This next section from 21 to 36 gets a little trickier. We have 2 big things to watch out for. The first is low 2. In this section, it's going to be all low 2s on the A string, all the C naturals. And the other thing is we have an up bowing. And we have it written with 2 up bows with a slur underneath and 2 little legato marks underneath the notes. This is in measure, I'm looking at measure 21, if you want to see what that looks like. So the way that we're going to do that is 2 up bows in a row with just a little bit of space in between them. You don't want them to be too short, so just a little space so it sounds like a different note. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do all of measure 21. So we're going to have a down, up, up. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's play bows in the air from measure 21 to 36. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, half note, down. Now a slur, half note, half note, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. 29, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, then half note, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1 slur in this section at measure 23, and the rest are all going to be up. So make sure that when you have up, there's a space, and that 1 slur is nice and smooth. Measure 21 to 36 bows on the string now. Easy mezzo forte sound. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, up, half note, half note, half note. Now, I'm going to stop there so that we can talk about low twos for a second. We've been worried a lot about the bowing, but I want to do this section one more time. Think about your low second finger. So go ahead and find that C natural and play 4 of those with me. 4 low 2 C naturals. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, we're going to do 21. We are going to go all the way to 36 this time, thinking about our ups and our low 2s. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, up, half note, half note, slur, half note, up, low 2, half note, 1, 2, 3, 29, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, low 2, section from 37 to 49, there are only 2 things we need to look out for. The first is in measure 40, we're going to have a low 2 G on the E string. So play 4 of those with me, low 2 G. 1, 2, ready, go. Make sure that second finger's nice and low. And then at the end, to measure 47 and 48, we have a lot of rests. So make sure that we're counting exactly where those rests land. So we'll have 7 in a row. You can either count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you keep track of which measure you're in. I'm going to count 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to count 1 to 7, you can do that too. All right, let's go ahead and start at measure 37, and we're going to go all the way to measure 49. Watch out for that low 2 G. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note. Now a high 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, high 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure that you notice that the C's in this section are C sharp, so there's going to be high 2s. So you're going to have low 2 on your G natural, high 2 on your C sharp. The next section, from 49 to 60, we get some of our double stops in this section. And look at measure 53 with me. So you're going to be playing 2 strings at the same time. The 2 strings you're going to be playing here are A and D. So just play that for me. We're going to do 4 quarter notes, A and D together. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay. But in measure 53, we have a D on the A string as well as our open D. So you're just going to put down your 3 fingers onto your blue tape so that you have D on both strings. Okay, so let's do 4 of those, D and D. 1, 2, ready, go. The next measure, in measure 54, we're just playing open A and open E together. So let's do 4 of those. 1, 2, ready, go. But of course, our rhythm is actually half notes. So let's play measure 53 and 54 as they're written as half notes. Get your 3rd finger D ready. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note, half note, half note. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note, half note, half note. And the last thing you want to look out for in this section is at the very end, measure 60, going into 61, there's another quick lift set there. So we're going to start at 49 and go to 60, and I want you to do the lift set at the very end with me, even though we're not going to play measure 61 yet. Looking out for those double stops and that quick lift set at the end. Measure 49. 1, 2, ready, go. Double stops. Half note, half note, half note. Half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note. Lift set. All right. Now we're going to do this last section at the end, and we're actually going to work backwards a little bit. So let's look first at measure 68. You're going to see that from measure 68 to 70, you have a bunch of down bows in a row. And you've got rests in between. But we do want to make sure those are all down. So if you want to write in your lift set marking over each of those rests, you can do that. Measure 68 to 71. I want us to do this bows in the air. So we have a bunch of downs in a row, and then we end with a down, up, down. All right, this is measure 68. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, lift, set, 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 down, up, down. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, lift, set, 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 down, up, down. Now on top of that, we're doing our double stops. These are the same ones that we did before with our 2 Ds together and then our A and E string. But be really careful, it can be tricky to do them so quickly and you're thinking about a lot of things at once. So let's get our first double stop set up, Ds together. Starting measure 68, and we're gonna go all the way to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, down, up, down. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready, go. Lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, down, up, down. Okay. And if we go back to measure 61, from 61 until 68, it's just like the beginning. So it should be pretty easy, that section. Let's start measure 61, and we're gonna go to the end. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get ready for double stops. Lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, lift, set, down, up, down. Now I'm going to play through the whole thing from beginning to end. I'm going to be looking for my low 2s, for my up-ups, and for my double stops. Starting with a nice, strong fortissimo sound. 1, 2, ready, go. Half note, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. Lift, set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, half note. Half note, half note. Half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, up, half note, half note, half note, low 2. Half note, half note. Down, up, low 2. Half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2. Down, up, low 2. Half note, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Half note, low 2. Half note, high 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half note, high 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.